Hey, Mandy Horan here, independent Beachbody fitness coach. I'm here to help you reach your goals. Now, maybe you've watched a few of my videos and you're like, that Mandy girl is crazy. I can't keep up with her. She's always doing jumping jacks while she's making videos, and she works out all the time, and she's got she's too intense. I just wanted to let you guys know that I have an incredible team of coaches. The people on my team, I'm blown away by. I don't know all of them in real life, but they inspire me, and their stories are heartwarming, and their goals are incredible, and it's so cool to connect with these people. And if I'm not the coach for you, I want to help you connect with somebody else. I have men and women on my team. I have people that are 20-something college students trying to make some ends meet in college, that are trying to eat healthy on a budget and trying to work out in between finals and class schedules and all that. I have stay-at-home moms that want something of their own, that want to help people. I have people that speak Spanish, so I'm not very good at my Spanish yet. I have business owners. I have people that run full-time jobs that are doing Beachbody coaching and helping others reach their goals while working at either their own business or at their full-time job. I have Army wives. I know all these amazing people that want to help you. So I have a mother she's a mother of an autistic child. I have women that are in their 60s that are willing to help you. So let me hook you up with somebody that you might connect with better than me. Of course you can ask me questions. Of course you can tell me what's going on. I'm totally here to help. But you might find a connection with somebody else that's just better for you, a better fit. And I'd love to introduce you to them, because I think that everyone on my team is fabulous, and they have so much to offer and so much to give, and I want to make sure that you connect with them. So let me know what type of person you're looking for. Let me introduce you to a few people, okay? And if you want me as your coach, just holler, because I'm here for you. I got it. Oh, and I got pregnant women that are coaches also. So if you are pregnant, thinking of having a baby, yeah, that's the girl for you. So all right, I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.